Hi, my name is Ethan.
My name is Jayden.
My name's Riley.
My name is Gavin.
And we're going to be doing we're going to see if a clay boat can a clay boat float. The materials you will need is water in a bowl and clay, of course. And first, you make a bowl out of clay, which we've already did. Put the water in the bowl, which we already did too. Put the clay bowl in the water and observe what happens. And then observe what happens. Yay! It floats.
And then we want to see if it has anything to do with it being hollow, so we just have a ball of clay. And if it's hollow, it has an air pocket, which affects the buoyancy force of it, so that it floats on top of the water. But if it's just completely compact down, it becomes heavier, so the buoyancy force is less, so it just floats down in the water.
And then that was the science behind the experiment.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Hey, go!